Like we'd go one car next to the sidewalk and we'd do another car next to it. And then like for fairs and stuff, so they can like have a place to park. There's like, even if you were to go into a town, there's always having to be parallel park because a lot of people don't do it. So when there's more parts to park in the parallel area.
So parallel parking is really important. You need to prepare for the parallel parking process. Even if you don't use it a lot, you're still going to have to get out there and park. Can you talk about a mechanical breakdown, a flat tire, your truck overheating? Have you had any issues like that?
I have many issues with my car.
Yeah, she got issues, all right.
My car tends to like, well, it doesn't say that it's overheating, but it does overheat. Like, not like horrible, but I'll be driving and it kind of like will over accelerate and stuff. But like it won't like go, just my RPMs will go.
Okay.
I don't really have many other issues other than I had, when I was driving, my Cadillac converter came apart while I was driving, and it went from really quiet car to like a brah while I was driving. So I pulled over into the gas station, looked under my car, and saw there was a straight split.